Ready to transform your financial life from a chaotic mess into a streamlined, goal-crushing machine? Exploding head. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by managing different savings goals, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Ally Savings Buckets, a powerful tool that can revolutionize how you organize your money, making your financial dreams more achievable than ever before. The problem: financial overwhelm and the power of purpose. Think about it. How often do you find yourself with money in your savings account, but no clear idea what it's for? Maybe it's a lump sum that slowly dwindles as unexpected expenses pop up, or perhaps it's a general emergency fund that feels more like a free-for-all spending account. This lack of clear purpose is a common pitfall. When your money doesn't have a job, it tends to wander off and get spent on things that aren't your priorities. This is where the concept of purpose-driven savings comes in. Instead of one big, amorphous savings blob, imagine dedicating every dollar to a specific goal. Your vacation fund has its own dedicated space, separate from your down payment savings, and entirely distinct from your emergency fund. This isn't just about organizing, it's about giving your money a mission. When each dollar knows its purpose, you're less likely to divert it to impulsive purchases, and far more likely to stay on track toward your bigger aspirations. And that's precisely what Ally Savings Buckets allow you to do. They transform your single savings account into multiple, clearly defined compartments, each working towards a specific financial objective. It's like having a dedicated wallet for every one of your financial goals, but all conveniently housed within one online banking platform. What exactly are Ally Savings Buckets? At its core, Ally Savings Buckets are a feature within Ally Bank's online savings account that allows you to virtually divide your single savings account into up to 10 distinct buckets or categories. Each bucket can be named and assigned a specific savings goal. While all the money remains in one FDIC-insured account, earning the same competitive interest rate, these buckets provide a visual and organizational separation that can significantly enhance your saving discipline. Imagine you have a total of $10,000 in your Ally Savings account. Instead of seeing one $10,000 balance, with buckets, you might see Emergency Fund, $4,000. Vacation Fund, $2,000. New car down payment, $3,000. Home renovation, $1,000. This visual breakdown instantly provides clarity and makes managing multiple savings goals incredibly straightforward. You're no longer guessing how much of your savings is for what, it's all laid out for you. Why Ally Savings Buckets are a game-changer rocket. So, why bother with this virtual compartmentalization? Here's why Ally Savings Buckets are a game-changer for your financial well-being. 1. Crystal clear goal tracking. This is perhaps the most significant benefit. Each bucket has a name and, optionally, a target amount. This clear labeling makes it incredibly easy to track your progress towards specific goals. You can see at a glance how much more you need to save for that dream vacation or your next big purchase. This transparency can be a powerful motivator, keeping you engaged and committed to your financial plans. 2. Reduce temptation and mindless spending. When all your savings are lumped together, it's easy to rationalize dipping into this general savings for a non-essential purchase. But when you see that money is specifically earmarked for new car down payment, you're far less likely to raid it for an impulse buy. The psychological barrier created by named buckets helps you think twice before diverting funds from their intended purpose. It fosters a sense of accountability to your own goals. 3. Simplified budgeting and financial planning. Buckets integrate seamlessly with your overall budgeting strategy. Instead of just budgeting to save X amount, you can budget to contribute specific amounts to specific buckets each month. This makes your budget more actionable and less abstract. It helps you understand exactly where your money is going and how each contribution moves you closer to your goals. 4. Enhanced motivation and consistency. Seeing your progress visually can be incredibly motivating. As each bucket grows, you get a tangible sense of achievement, which encourages continued saving. This positive feedback loop can help you stay consistent with your savings habits, even when things get tough. It turns saving from a chore into a rewarding pursuit. 5. Flexibility and adaptability. life happens, and financial priorities can shift. Ally savings buckets are incredibly flexible. You can easily adjust the amount in each bucket, move money between them, or even delete and create new buckets as your goals evolve. This adaptability ensures your savings strategy remains relevant and responsive to your changing needs. It's not a rigid system, but a dynamic tool that grows with you. 6. No more mental accounting headaches. Before buckets, many people relied on mental accounting, trying to remember which portion of their single savings account was for what. This often led to confusion, mistakes, and ultimately, a breakdown in financial discipline. Buckets eliminate this mental burden, providing an organized and automated system for tracking your various savings objectives. How to set up your Ally savings buckets, a step-by-step guide. Setting up Ally savings buckets is incredibly straightforward. Here's a quick walkthrough. Step 1. Open an Ally online savings account, if you don't have one already. If you're new to Ally Bank, you'll first need to open an Ally online savings account. The process is simple and can be completed entirely online in just a few minutes. You'll need some basic personal information like your social security number and driver's license. Step 2. Log into your Ally account. Once your account is open, log into your Ally Bank online banking portal or use their mobile app. Step 3. Navigate to your savings account. From your dashboard, click or tap on your Ally online savings account. Step 4. Find the Buckets feature. You'll typically find an option related to buckets or organize your money within your savings account details. It's usually prominently displayed. Step 5. Create your first bucket. Click on the option to create a new bucket. You'll be prompted to name your bucket, be specific and clear, e.g., Emergency Fund, European Adventure 2026, New Home Down Payment, Kids College Fund. Set an optional target amount. This is highly recommended as it gives you a clear goal to work towards. Set an optional target date. If you have a specific timeline for your goal, this can be helpful. Step 6. Allocate funds to your buckets. Once you've created your buckets, you can start allocating money to them. You can transfer existing funds. If you already have money in your savings account, you can easily transfer portions of it into your newly created buckets. Set up recurring transfers. This is a powerful feature. You can automate transfers from your checking account or even from your Ally savings account directly into specific buckets on a regular basis, e.g., every payday. This set it and forget it approach ensures consistent progress. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.